If you are thinking about retirement soon and you have Georgia on your mind, you need to watch this video. Hi friends, Vicky Bryant here, and today I'm in beautiful Newnan, Georgia, and we're going to tour the model home at the gardens at Arbor Springs. I have a few more videos on several of the floor plans that are available in this brand new 55 plus retirement community, so if you want to check those out, browse my other videos on the channel. But today, we're going to explore the wisteria. Pretty name, right? I love flowers, and we're at the gardens, so we're going to see a lot of flowers today. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home. It's kind of big. It's 4,700 square feet of living space with roughly 2,800 square feet on the main level, and you have also a finished basement of about 1,900 square feet with a separate entrance and access through the garage, which makes it perfect for an in-law suite or caregiver space. This home is offered at $869,900 and is built by McKinney Builders, a highly reputable builder in my area, and it features geothermal heating and air, and you're conveniently located right next to the clubhouse here. So I want you to really pay attention to this floor plan here and let me know in the comments which features of this home did you like best, and would you consider calling this house your home if money was not an issue? Make sure you stay until the end of the video for a few interesting facts I'm going to share with you. Enjoy the tour. So this community is just about sold out. At the time of the recording of this video, there are only 3 brand new homes left for sale. They're pretty much move-in ready. So if you're actively shopping and you would like to see those in person, let me know. My contact info is in the description box below this video and will be conveniently located at the end of the video as well. So another interesting fact is that there is currently a resale home available as well in this community, and it's a 3-bed, 3-bath home, 2,300 square feet, no basement, on a slab, and the asking price is $775,000 for a 3-year-old home as of the recording of this video. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please let me know by giving me some thumbs up. It helps me know that I'm bringing you content and information that is useful to you. And if you're not enjoying this video, let me know what would you like to see more of. Just drop me a comment. Don't be shy. So here's what you've been waiting for. So pre-sales started in this community in December of 2019. And do you know how much the first buyers who purchased in this community paid for a home here? Anywhere from the low 500s to high 500s. And now, just a few years later, those homes are offered the high 700s to mid 800s. So the moral of the story here is, the sooner you buy into a new community, the better prices and lots you're going to secure, and the higher chances you will have of walking into your new home with built-in equity. So if you want to learn more about the lifestyle and get more information on this area in this community, make sure to subscribe, as I will be posting a future video on all you need to know about the gardens at Arbor Springs when it comes to lifestyle, location, amenities, and the nitty-gritty you need to know before you decide to purchase here.